Hi, gang. I hope you're doing well. Let me move my lovely picture down here. Today, Tuesday, you are starting your pathogen poster. This is individual, not group. And depending on behavior, Mr. Stokes might let you move around, but I give him full permission to say no if you guys did not work hard yesterday. Um, so this is where you are choosing a pathogen. I will tell you bacteria and virus, there's more information out there. I don't mean easier or harder, there's just more research information. Protists and fungus is kind of the one you're going to pick if you want to challenge. So you pick a pathogen. That's start one. Then here are the requirements. You can use an app. So the goal is to do a wanted poster. Like if there's a criminal out there, and you say wanted for bank robbery, has a tattoo on their left arm, you know what I mean? You kind of do a creative way. I do not want this to be you just answering the questions, level one, fill in the blank. This is a summative project. I'm giving you 2 class days, so I want creativity on your part. My idea is the wanted poster. It's kind of like that background, like there. Options that have been done in the past are like a movie script where you take the perspective of like a white blood cell or a pathogen and you write lines for it. You can actually act out a movie. This is by yourself, though, remember. But you can be in the perspective of the pathogen, like you're the virus and you're trying to explain your life. So those are options. If you don't know which one to do, just do a wanted poster looking for the bad guy. So you pick bacteria, virus, protist, or fungus. Creative, the name in a creative way. Don't just write it in regular font. How the pathogen makes you sick. Not how it's transmitted or its systems, but what it's actually doing in the body, how it hurts cells or how it hurts the person. If there's vaccines or medicines, prevent or treat. Hopefully you remember that from the jigsaw. It depends on the pathogen. What are common diseases or symptoms your pathogen causes? So, like, for example, virus might be Ebola or the flu. Tell me more about that. At least 2 visuals. But you guys, again, I'm giving you 2 days. So, yes. So, kind of how it makes more of itself. So, it's kind of like the jigsaw, but with your pathogen, but in a creative way. You're not just answering the questions. You're kind of proving that you get it. You're teaching somebody else. So, wanted poster, comic strip, a movie script. Those are options. You can do it on your iPad or on paper if you have an idea that you can run by Stokes, and as long as Mr. Stokes can tell me it's level 2 and not just you filling in blanks. I don't love iMovie trailer because you can't get a lot of information in quickly. There is extra credit to do a timeline. You need at least 5 things on your timeline, like maybe when a vaccine was discovered or a certain amount of deaths from a certain disease. It's up to you. So 2 days worth of effort. My guess is day one, you're researching, you're looking up information. You will not be able to do this project successfully if you are not at a green. You will not be able to do this project successfully if you're not at a green. So Tuesday, you might be simply researching, going through your notes, my notes, the internet, and trying to make sure you know all these answers. So you do start with filling in the blanks, but your final project should be a level 2 or level 3. Examples from the past. I know these might be backwards. But here is a comic strip, if you can see the effort. They did it on the measles virus. Actual wanted poster. This is a really good one. I know not everyone is good of a drawer as this, but so this person did fungus. Wanted, dead or alive. See? And then this one's information, and they did more of a movie script. Here's one. They talked about zombies and compared it. So this was more of an analogy. They did an analogy comparing it, and this person did the timeline, as you see. So be good. I'll see you guys Wednesday where we'll be finishing this project. So I'm excited to see what you guys created. Have a great day.